Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you how to make your own vlog. So I've created my vlog here, as you can see. So this runs on a VP Cloud, WordPress Cloud, which is installed to my website through Softaculous. So it is a website, it is a program you will know after a bit of episodes. Okay, if you watch this series, you will know what is subtaculars, you will know what are uh, clouds and how they work. You will know how to install plugins and use them. So first of all, let me show you my website. It's vlogblog.co.in. Okay, so I'm just making my website here. It is kind of a tech blog, tech news. So okay, uh here you will learn how to make a perfect website. So I've searched for building a website a couple of years ago. I found two websites which claim to build website for free, which are Weebly and Wix. So I just go there and see how they work, but I was not satisfied with their themes, with their menus, headers, some things. Okay, so then I came across with WordPress. So WordPress, what it is they have a user-friendly interface. Okay, you can build your own website in couple of days, maximum 1 day, and if you work hard, you can get it in couple of hours. So first of all, you will need a domain. For domain, you can go for any domain website. Okay, then you need to host the domain. For hosting the domain, I recommend HostGator. Okay, it is good. Then you need to get a host. You need to host a VP Cloud on your website. So first of all, let's learn what is WordPress. Okay, you need to go to the official website and you will see some information there. I don't recommend downloading WordPress application because WordPress application do not work with VP Cloud. I've tried it. Okay, you need to go to browser and type a specific name with your domain name here. Like mine is like, let me show you. Mine is like this blog.co.in VP admin. So like this, you need to go through the website, means to browser, and have to type it in the search URL. But I don't recommend downloading this their mobile app. Okay, it is all on laptop, and if you want to do it in your Android or iOS, you need to search it for in your browser. Okay, so here you can download WordPress for free. Okay, this is the official WordPress, and this is for laptops and desktops. Okay, so introduction, installation. With our famous 5-minute installation, setting up WordPress for the first time is simple. We have created a handy guide to see you through the installation process. You can go to this handy guide. Let me see what it is. So I didn't recommend any guide because I just straight in downloaded the WordPress application. Then I saw a couple of videos, couple of articles how to make, and then I started making. Okay. They also have their own hosting. If you get your domain, you can get a WordPress hosting or foreign hosting. I have a foreign hosting with the host website. I can't tell. Okay, they have couple of host websites here. They have SiteGround, DreamHost, and see all recommend hosts. You can get Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround. These three are the main for web hosting for WordPress, but I don't recommend using their host because they are charging more than HostGator. So then you can go to developers for more resources. See, developer resources, freedom to build. Okay. Code reference, looking for documentation for code base. Okay, let me tell you, when you make a website there is a background code. Okay, so I also have a background code in my website. Okay, I don't touch it because if you mess with the background code then your website could crash or could destroy. Okay, then you have coding standards. Sorry for that. Then you have coding standards, looking to ensure your code meets the standards. Okay, I don't use code to edit my website. Okay, I use drag and drop plus plugins, REST APIs, themes, etc. So, okay, now let me show you what is WordPress Cloud. Search in WordPress Cloud hosting. Go to WordPress Cloud, Subtaculous. You have you just go to this thing, siteground.com. You will find how to install Subtaculous in your WordPress, then host your VP Cloud, like I did. But it is a bit of a long process. If you want to do it, then you need to do it with patience, because if something goes wrong then your whole server can get down. Okay, so it is a bit of a risky thing, but you can do it. It's easy, very very easy. Okay, you can follow their website. I will give a link to their SiteGround web link to the SiteGround website in my description. Then let me show you uh WordPress of Tacklers. Okay, I will also give this Softaculous website there. Okay, from here you need to install WordPress into your domain. So I have installed WordPress not in my uh storage. I've installed WordPress in the server. So here you can install WordPress in your server. It is not showing because it is a desktop website. Okay, you need to use desktop or laptop or PC for this tasks. Okay, and these are the requirement. This is the only requirement you need, which is 40.67 MB megabytes of storage, which is left. Okay, Softaculous auto install. Okay, then after that it's it. Okay, then you need to go through WordPress. Okay, so that's what today guys, that is like an introduction to WordPress and what it does. So that's what today guys, hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below. And this is the first episode of WordPress series. Second episode is coming lightly sooner. That's what today guys, bye.